Storm Tracker early warning radar network.
And we're back to mostly dry conditions here at the 10 o'clock hour. You'll notice a sprinkler or two moving through central parts of Marshall County right now. And you'll also notice off to our northwest, just as you cross over into middle and western parts of Tennessee. That is actually the remnants of what was once a bigger thunderstorm complex, but it's quickly dying out. We just got some of that cloud cover and some of those sprinkles, and those will likely struggle to even make it to the state line. But it's been pretty wet over the last 7 days. What you're looking at right now is the estimated rainfall totals going back to Friday morning of last week. So 7 days worth of totals, and you'll notice a lot of yellow on the map. That's indicating around 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. But then as you start to get into the oranges and the reds, we're talking 3, 4, 5 inches of rain, and even a little bit of pink showing up occasionally. You have to look hard, but that's 6 inches plus. So again, some pretty good rainfall totals in the last 7 days. And we had the new S Drought Monitor come down this morning. Comes down every single Thursday morning. Still have a lot of yellow on the map. That's indicating abnormally dry conditions, not technically drought conditions. But then you'll notice that we still have moderate drought once you get into these tan colors, and even still a little bit of severe drought bleeding over into parts of Lauderdale and Colbert County. So here's a look at the weekly changes. So this compares last Thursday to today, and where you see greens on the map, that was actually some improvements. So some areas that were in moderate drought were removed and put into abnormally dry conditions. But you'll also notice a little bit of that yellow right there through Limestone County and into Lawrence County. That is degradation. So you went from abnormally dry back to moderate drought. So no huge improvements. And again, it takes a lot of rain in quite a few weeks to really see some big improvements with those U.S. drought monitors. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we are tracking highs back up into the low to mid 90s. I'm expecting a little bit more sun than what we saw today, so that should allow for those temperatures to run about 2 to 4 degrees warmer than this afternoon. There's a look at Friday morning. You'll notice maybe a little bit of fog for areas closer to the Sand Mountain, but staying mostly dry all the way through lunchtime. And most of the showers and storms that I continue to see on future radar are east of I-65 closer to Sand Mountain or mostly off to our north. So not expecting a huge coverage of storms, but it's definitely possible. Then into your Saturday, you'll notice we'll start dry and then more coverage of those pop-up showers and storms into your Saturday afternoon. How about the rainfall forecast? This goes through the next 7 days. Those brighter blues and even purples, it's closer to about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain. And that's with those better rain chances coming in by Sunday. Monday, kind of a lull in between some better rain chances. And then by Tuesday and into Wednesday, our next cold front's going to be dropping in from out of the northwest. So you'll notice higher coverage by the middle of next week. And of course, with a little bit more rain, a little bit more cloud cover, it's just going to be tough to get those temperatures up. So we're going to be slowly dropping those temperatures from the low to mid 90s back down to the upper 80s on Tuesday, about a 50 to 60% chance. Those chances could always go up. 87 for a high on Wednesday, and then right around 90 by Thursday. But most of these highs are close to average for this time of the year.